Hey, this is Keith with Free Spooling coming at you with a Tahoe Tuesday. Well, if it doesn't look like Tahoe, you're right. The Caldor fires put a stop on all fishing activities, and actually where I happen to live, we're under evacuation order, so I've actually evacuated down to the Delta area, and that's where I am right now recording this. So I want to thank the firefighters, the emergency service personnel, all the police services for the hard work they're doing trying to combat this thing. It's brutal. Combine that with the Dixie fire and the Tamarack fire, you just literally the place is on fire. So hopefully we can see things improve and get under control, and fishing is the lesser of concerns at this point, obviously. So my heart goes out to all of you that lost your houses and have had other property destruction. So let's hope we can turn this this chapter sooner than later. So let's talk about the Delta briefly. I'm not going to do a report because there's a great site and a guy that has a channel that I'll reference down at the bottom. It's called In Deep on the Delta. Steve Cooper is the guy that does the report, and it's super comprehensive. I use all his tips, and I couldn't hope to be anywhere near as thorough and detailed. Now, I have used his tips to catch fish. I'm on the Delta this morning for the Tahoe Tuesday, and come along with me and see how the fishing is. I have no idea, I haven't been out here in 3 or 4 months, so there's a lot of life at the moment moving around on the water, and so hopefully we'll catch some bass, whether it's striped bass or largemouth bass, but I'm gonna just give it a shot and see what it looks like. The neighborhood of 6:15 or so, maybe 6:20. The sunrise is supposed to be at 6:35. It's a outgoing tide. First one for the morning. Oh, that's not bad. First one. Not huge, but it'll do. All right. Baby, look at this. Oh my God. Another baby. Another baby. the Delta/Tahoe Tuesday. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, and comment. And as always, tight lines and good times.